Hello everyone, this is the continuation of list 2 video. So here we'll see how assignment is augmented, means assignment operator is augmented. So here if you want to add a value like a, if you take spam equal to spam plus 1, that can be written like spam plus or equal to 1. So what it does, spam equal to spam plus 1, in the sense if you consider spam equal to 42, so spam equal to spam plus 1 is spam equal to 42 plus 1. So that same thing can be done with spam plus r equal to 1, means spam is plus and equal to 1. So spam is 42 plus 1 is 43, again it is allocated to spam. The same thing multiple like augmented assignment we can use for all mathematical equations like minus, star, backslash and modulus, means division and mod function. So if you are using a variable and you are adding something to that variable and you are assigning to the same variable, then we can make use of it, and that can be done for string concatenation and replication and list concatenation and replication as well. Next one is methods. Methods is a function, like a predefined functions, and like methods is something like a function except it is called on a values. We all know user defined functions, so methods are something like that. It can be predefined methods or user defined methods. You have to define them and you should call them for writing the or using them. So we have index method, append and insert method, remove method and sort method for list. First one, we have index method. Finding the values of the list, we use index method. So here if you have a list with values, index dot the value means write the name of a variable of the list. So spam is one list, spam dot index of hello, so it gives you the index of that variable. So to fetch the index of the list, means fetch the index of a value from the list, we can use index with the argument of the value, which with a list name to be specified. If you are giving an index, means if you are finding an index to a value from the variable called list, then you can use this index method with list name dot index and the value you are passing. So here we are finding the index of hello from the spam, so you have to write it as spam dot index with hello. So if you are giving without, means if you are giving a name or a list which is not there, so we have howdy but we don't have howdy thrice within a one string, then it generates not in list error. Means error is generated if when there is a duplicate values which may appear first but it is not having same as in the string. It compares each and every character before fetching the index of the list. Next method is append and insert. We have seen append method like by using plus or by using, like if you want to add a value to the list, then we saw append method with the help of plus to add the values to the list, but we can make use of method append and the value. See here, spam append mouse. So what happens, spam will be updated at the last with mouse. So next means if you want to keep adding the values to the list, then we can use append method. And insert method we can also add, means this also like a append, but instead we can give one index to which index your value to be added. So insert method will have two arguments, first one is index, second one is value. So to which index the value to be added, to that index it will be added. So cat, dog, bat was our previous spam list, but if after spam dot insert 1 comma chicken, spam is updated at the index 1 with chicken. So cat and dog cat was 0 and dog was 1 previously. After insert, chicken is updated at first index, dog is moved to next value. This is about append and insert methods. Next one is removing values from the list. So first, before we saw how to insert the values or append the values, next method is how to delete. So we saw del function where it was removing value one after the other, but here remove function or remove method is used to remove a particular value from the list with specifying. So spam has cat, bat, rat, elephant. If you want to remove bat from the spam, then spam dot remove with bat will remove the value bat from the spam. And if you want to remove multiple values, then like if the value appear multiple times, then the first value which it identifies will be removed. Means it takes value, it starts comparing the values from right, means left to right. So first value towards right will be deleted if you have same values repeated in the string, sorry, in the list. And if you try to remove a value which is not inside the list, then it throws an error called list x not in the list, means the value is not in the list error. Next one is sort. If you have a list and if you want to sort it in a ascending order, then we can make use of sort function. And if you want to sort it in a reverse order, then it is done with a argument passing called reverse is equal to true. If you have numbers, it is sorted with ascending order. If you have string, it will be sorted with character wise, means alphabetical order, with the help of list name dot sort function. You have to specify which list you are sorting with dot and sort method called. And next one is if you are sorting with numbers and alphabets, then what happen if you are giving sort string also, then numbers also, then that will generate an error by throwing string and integer. And if you have characters like capital letter and small letter, then sort function sorts with capital letters A to Z first, then small letter, because capital letters ASCII values are lesser compared to ASCII values are small letter. But if you want to sort it with A, means small a, capital A, small z, capital Z, means all A, B, C, D in a order, but in the order of small and capital together, then we have to make use of key equal to string dot lower or key equal to string dot upper. So if you use this key equal to str dot lower, what happens? It starts the values in the order which you have given, means not with respect to capital or small letter, but with respect to alphabetical order. And if you have small a, capital A together, then it takes small a first and capital A next, and then Z and capital Z and so on. Next one is example program with 8 magic ball. So for this we will go and execute the program. So this is our program, import random message. This is the 8 magic letters given. It is certain, it is difficult, so and so on. It has 8 strings. So here it is using a random method, import random. So import random is a method which has functions to generate random values like random integers. We use RAND method from the random import random function. So message random.randit 0 comma length of the message -1. Length of the message is 8, -1 is 7. So it is generating random values from 0 to 7 and it is giving magic 8 values. So it tells you future whenever you start executing it. It is